Hello everyone. For today lesson, I'm going to show you how to do the row fees on Google Sheets. For example, when you have a lot of data sets and you can scroll down to like more than 1,000 or 100,000, for example, and whenever you scroll up and down, the column header here on the row 2 is disappear. See, so if you want to freeze this row 2 in order to understand what the description or the text on the header say, so we can do with the simple way by go to the view and then go to freeze and up to row 2, for example. Now when you scroll up and down, you still have the column header display all the time. Okay, hope this help and fix your problem whenever you have to deal with a lot of the data sets or a volume of a number of the row and column. And if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for your watching.